Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to convert a bangle into a beautiful crochet crochet design. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell signal for notifications. We would need a acrylic yarn, a set of bangles, and a crochet hook which suits for the acrylic yarn. Here I am taking 2 mm acrylic yarn. So let's get started. So just take the tail end of the yarn and keep it along with the bangle. Then take the crochet hook, insert it into the bangle, then yarn over and pull through to form a knot. So this is a removable knot. I'll show it again. So hold the tail end along with the bangle and then yarn over, pull through to form a knot. So this is the first step of the stitch. Then we have to make a chain stitch. So then make a single chain stitch and then you have to continue doing a single crochet. I'm gonna repeat it all over again. So I'm removing the stitches I just made. Keep the tail end along with the bangle. Insert the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through, and then do a yarn over, pull through the loop to form a knot. This is the removable knot. So if you are a beginner, you can go check out my videos which is listed for beginners. There you can learn how to make a single crochet or a chain stitch. So here I'm gonna make a chain stitch and then a single crochet. Then in the next single crochet we have to create a loop. For that you have to loop around the index finger and then pull through and then complete the single crochet. So this loop is formed as part of the single crochet. I'm going to repeat it again for the next chain. So loop around the index finger and then you have to do the stitches just like for a single crochet. So I've completed around 6 loops here. You can see I'm gonna take the yarn around my index finger and then bring the crochet hook from the loop and then complete the single crochet. Now we have to consider it as a single crochet. We have 2 loops in the hook. Yeah, yarn over and then complete the single crochet. Yarn over, pull through. So see, insert the needle and then twist it and bring the loop thread. Now we have 2 loops in the crochet and then the remaining part is just the way we do any single crochet stitch. So yarn over and then pull through. So the loop remains as is and thus we get the loops here. So we have to repeat it all throughout the bangle in the same way. So I'll continue to do this pattern and then I'll meet you towards the end of this bangle. So here I have completed the circle, full circle, and I'm towards the end of this pattern. So I can put 2 more single crochet in this space. So I'm still continuing to do the loop here. I'm going to make one more loop here because there is some space left. If there are some spaces or gaps in between the stitches, it wouldn't look neat. So I'm going to complete that as well by adding one more loop to that loop and a single crochet. So this would be the last stitch of this pattern. Next I'm going to make a slip stitch. Now I'm gonna end this by joining it to uh, the first stitch using a slip stitch. Now the slip stitch is done. I'm gonna cut off the excess thread. Pull the loop all the way till it is 1 or 2 inches long, so that it will be easy to cut it off. So once you have cut this off, using the crochet hook, you can insert the tail end into the next available chain stitches, so that it will not come out as a loose thread. So I'm going to repeat it for 2 more times so that it will be secured tightly. And then if there are still some thread, you can cut that off. So that's it. This is how we can complete a bangle using crochet loops. I hope you like this video, and this is one way of changing a old bangle into a decorative one, as well as it can match your suit colors. I hope you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and show some love to this video, and please subscribe to my channel to get latest updates and crochet patterns. Thanks for watching. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you again.